Basically, first of all, of course, I would like to thank organizers for giving me opportunity, and of course, organizing such a very important issue and function on important issues. Delivery part, as far as it is concerned, so there are a number of initiatives which University of Pune has taken since last decade. In fact, Professor Pandit Vidyasagar also, he was a director at that time, and from that day actually we started number of activities. One of the activity was of course research. Just now recently you asked one question that universities or institution also should have their own, they should start their own funding. I think Pune University might be the only university in India who has started giving funding to the teachers, not only from campus but off campus, like all colleges, more than 10 crores of rupees per year. And more than 3 lakhs, around 3 lakhs rupees per teacher for 2 years. Of course, the project, and it will be scrutinized and all these things. And it has really given a very good impact. In fact, most of the colleges, they got A grade due to the fact that they are doing very good research. And not only for faculty, but even for students. Even students, we are giving not only funding, but we do organize number of activities for students. And University of Pune, see there are in Maharashtra, Avishkar is one of the competition, research project competition. And the University of Pune won that competition 7 times out of 9. So you can, imagine that in what way University of Pune is working on research. But I would like to mention few more things as far as research is concerned. I would like to take little further. Since, see, there are number of rankings in higher education. One is, of course, university ranking that we all know. We are not in first 500 or 1000, that is what we talk about. Of course, there are number of other parameters, number of other aspects. Secondly, there is a ranking on research ranking. Like, that way India is doing not excellent, but they are doing good. Since BRICS countries, they come in the 20 to 30 ranking, apart from America, Japan and Germany, like that. But we are in between 20 to 30. India is around 27 or something like that, as far as the research ranking is concerned. But the most important
part... I just ask at this juncture, like on the ranking part of it, what kind of documents and what kind of documentations do these agencies look for? Yeah, for the larger enlightenment.
Basically, number of papers, H-index, then number of other indexes. The Scopus is there, which really measures what kind of papers which are coming out, patterns, this and that.
So it's an elaborate process on the part of the participating organizations, or it's all a secondary research with these ranking agencies?
No, see, secondary research, fundamental research, applied research, so all it comes in that research. But I would like to give more importance on not only research, but the countries which are really converting this research invention to innovations. There actually we are lagging a lot, and that is what, of course, most of us do agree. That whatever the research is happening over there, whether we are converting that research into actual product, which is a need-based kind of research, is been very important. So as far as this ranking is concerned, there is one more ranking that is called as a global index. A global index. In global index, there are first top 10 countries where they are converting their research and inventions into actual innovations. So the countries are like, UK is there, USA of course is there, then Japan is there, Sweden is there, Switzerland is there, but India is not there at all in first 10. So I think there actually we have to play a very good role. I mean, to convert this research into actual product. I think I think most of the speakers here also, previous session also, they talked about that why industry is not taking part in this, and that there of course we are lagging in this area.
What are the specific interventions on the part of University of Pune? What innovations? Because you seem to be a pathbreaker in this area.
Basically, what we did is like of course, organizing activities is one thing, but what we did is that taking in all like NCL scientists from NCL or many institutes, we have a very good platform. Not only that, only research organizations, but even industry. We organize number of events on that line, so that whether industry kind of interaction, academics, research and industry interaction, that also we used to organize this activity, and that really helps students. Students cannot do by their own. We have to, we teachers and we policymaker has to do a lot. Then and then only students can come really forward. Just one thing which I would like to mention. There is one DSIR, of course, like CSIR, the assistant concern of DSIR. Now that I worked on that aspect also. DSIR, they provide funding to the industries. And only one condition is that industry should work with educational institute. That is the only condition. Otherwise, they provide all manpower. They can, provide all other fundings. Infrastructure also they can provide. But there, of course, what I have seen is that they not forget about what 1%. It is not even 0.01% industries are taking benefit of this. I think industry there is no. When we say that education institutes, you finger it out, but at the same time other fingers are towards industry, that they also should come forward. In your UGC guidelines, it is made mandatory that industry expert has to be taken into syllabus making. But hardly any really industry experts come there and they give their
so it seems that University of Pune is certainly going by the rule book. It's walking the talk. It's not the talk which is happening. I think this talk can certainly take the entire night as well, because it's such an engaging interaction which we have been having since the last 4 hours.